Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a recipe from my recipe binder, gingerbread syrup. Combine 2 cups water, 1½ cups brown sugar, half a cup of molasses, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of ginger in a pot. Cover and bring to a boil over medium heat, then immediately reduce to a simmer. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Stir and let cool to room temperature. Once cool, store your syrup in a syrup bottle in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. To make a gingerbread latte, add a couple of spoonfuls of the syrup to your coffee with a splash of milk and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.